Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2018 Cruisers Yachts 45 Cantius. We're on the swim platform right now. Massive swim platform. It is hydraulic. You can't lift up a dinghy on the back. You got some aft permanent seats. You can hit a button. This will lay down flat. Headrest kick up for a sun lounge. Right up above, you see you got a nice shade system so you don't get sunburned. Let's walk up here into the cockpit. All the cool options you want and even more. 2 bar stools. You see the glass swings up from the galley so you're serving everybody. On this side we got a Kenya electric grill. It's never been used. This boat only has 78 hours on it. One owner boat on lake, in a freshwater lake here in North Texas. It's like new. Refrigerator on this side, ice maker that side. A lot of seats out here. You can put tables in the cockpit too. You got great storage on this side, the ice maker's there. I like this door, it's pretty cool, versatile, so you got, little dogs or little kids or something. How cool is that? You got a half door. You can close it up however you want to use the boat for the day. The galley is right here by the cockpit. So we got an ice maker, refrigerator outside. You got a big refrigerator downside. There's a separate freezer left-hand side. Convection microwave, grill, stovetop, TV that swivels, upgraded stereo system we put in, a lot of light up on the top, opening sunroof, a great shade. Control panel is going to be right here on your starboard side when you walk in. You got a nice sofa here that converts out into a bed if you need it. The massive windows. You can sit here and look at everybody else on the lake. You're not alone by yourself. You can see what's going on even though you're sitting in here in the air conditioning. Really nice helm. It's Volvo Penta IPS 600s. Again, 73 hours on the engines. One owner freshwater boat. You got a joystick on it with the IPS drive, so anybody's docking this thing. This is their upgraded dash too, so a little sportier feeling on it. Upgraded Dorman screens. We also got a couple cameras. Got a forward camera and an aft camera if it helps with your docking. We got a nice dinette here in the salon. 2 stateroom boats. Let's go down. The owner's suite is 4. We'll go to that first. Plenty of headroom in here. A lot of good lighting. I like the high gloss wood. Accent everywhere. Big windows, and there's wood blinds to block it off too. Being the owner's suite, you're going to have your private ensuite head. Lots of room, nice tile backsplash, vessel sink, and a separate shower that's really big and roomy. So great area for the owner's suite. Let's step in here. As we're working our way back midship, first thing we're going to see is our day head. That's going to be just a wet shower, and you're going to have a separate sink outside. But real glass doors blocking you off. Here's a cool thing on this 45 Cantius. It is about 47 feet overall. Is you do have a washer and dryer. It's never been used. Great storage down below. Now we're going to go back. I'm going to call this a media room, guest room. Maybe the owner's suite wants to be back here. Big windows on the side. It's hot. We got the blinds down. Great seating and TV. This is from the factory. This owner wanted a little more TV than that, so they have this TV added to it. But you got a bed back here, lighting. Then you got this lounge on the side, if you want to call this your TV room, kids room, media room, whatever. You got 2 lounge chairs. This all lays down flat, and that's another berth. So not only you got the forward master stateroom, you got this bed in the mid-suite, that's another area. Sofa up top makes into a bed. This 45-foot boat sleeps a lot. Great condition, immaculate. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. If you've got questions about this boat or want to see it, please give me a call at 214-244-5535. Thank you.